Alright, so I'm going to show you a few features in the application. So first of all, we have the GPS button. It's at the top right corner of the screen. I'm not going to press it right now because I'm in San Diego and the map is centered in Claremont. But that'll take you to your location in real time. So if you're not sure exactly where you are and you want help placing the point, you can hit that button and it'll help you out. There's a measurement tool here. So if you want to measure your location from like the corner of the street or something like that, that can be useful. You can search for an address. So type in an address using that. So to select a point, if you hold down your finger on the screen, it brings up this magnifying glass, and you can put the little crosshairs on top of the point, and then it'll select it with this little arrow here. That'll bring up all this information. This is all the data from Southern California Edison. You're going to hit the little pencil here to start editing. Okay, now you're going to hit this little square with the pencil here first. So this is how you will place the point. So the source data that we received, it's not totally accurate spatially. As you can see, the points are placed in the middle of the street, but on the aerial imagery you can see that the street lights are actually like on the side of the road here, and you can kind of see the shadows. So you're going to want to adjust those as you're out there converting the lights, just to get them more accurate. So you're going to be moving the points a little bit. So to move the points, you click anywhere on the screen. And to be a little more accurate, you can do the same thing you did to select the point. You hold down your finger on the screen, and that'll give you the magnifying glass to zoom in. Okay, so if you hit the pencil again, okay, so if you hit this check mark, that says okay, my location's good. Now you're back into this editing window, and now you can change all the attributes. So you're going to change the install status. So there's a few options here. Most of the time you're just going to make it converted. It's going to ask you if you want to change the feature type. Just say yes. Let's look at the other options. So out of scope, sometimes a light might be out of your scope. I don't think that'll happen very often, but it's just an option we always provide. Sometimes there might be a time you might convert the light, but there's an issue that you might have. It might be a city issue, a SCE utility issue, or an FSG issue that you guys have. And then there might be a reason that the light is not converted, so you might say unconverted for one of those issues. And then you also might find that you drive out there to where a light's supposed to be, and then there's not a light there in the field. So you can put no light here also. Okay. There's a field here called installer notes where you can put any notes you may have. Proposed wattage. So this is the wattage we got in the original data. You can change this if it needs to be something else when you get out there in the field. Has photocell, so you can either put yes or no here. Test the photocell, yes or no. And then this is all the original information. Observed model Cobra head, observed wattage, so this is the original data. And then proposed lamp and proposed fixture. And then we also give you the ability to add attachments, so that could be a picture. So you can add an attachment from your camera. And when you do that, that's going to bring up your little camera in the tablet. So you would just hit this camera button here, and that would take the picture, and that'll attach it to the to the point. So you would use this when you find something odd in the field that you want the manager or the foreman to take a look at. And then they'll be able to look at that at the office and tell you what to do, what they want you to do with it. So just kind of streamlines the communication between you guys. So when you're done, you just press this green check mark. And if we look at the point we just edited, it's a little hard to see, but it's now a white point where I moved it to. So by the time you're done with this project, all these yellow points on the map are going to be white points, hopefully. So thank you. That's pretty much all how it works, and hope you guys have fun with it.